Apple. Sige.
A as in apple.
B.
B as in black.
C.
C as in cat.
D.
D as in dress.
E.
E as in egg.
F.
F as in fish.
G.
G. G as in grape.
H.
H as in hen.
I.
I as in ice cream.
Sa taas. Pinakataas na taas. Yan. O. J.
J as in jacket.
K.
K as in king. Ay,
Tama. L.
L as in
Ano yan?
L as
Ano yan? Le.
lemon.
M.
M as in monkey.
N.
N as in
Ano yung N?
N
Ano yan?
nest.
O.
O as in orange.
P.
P as in lapis.
P as in
P as in
ano?
pen. Ano? Pen. Pencil.
O. Q.
Q as in queen.
R.
R as in rose.
Taas. Taas. Na pinakataas. Po. S.
S as in
Ano yan?
shoes.
T.
T as in tomatoes.
U.
U as in umbrella.
V.
V as in
Ano yan?
violin.
Okay. W.
W as in watch.
Okay. X.
X as in xylophone.
Okay. Y.
Y as in
Yo.
yo-yo.
Z as in
Z as in isipin ko muna.
Sige. Z as in
Z as in
ano? Ano?
Z.
Ano nga yung Z? La?
Zebra.
Turo mo nga sa akin, where is letter A dyan dito? Oh, where is letter A dito? Where is letter A?
A.
Opo. Saan? Saan? Patingin? Saan pa? A? Saan pa? Saan?
Saan?
Very good. Saan ang B?
B.
B. Saan yung B?
B.
Very good. Very good ka ba?